Hey! It's okay. My phone never cracks. Backflip.
She said backflip.
Thank you.
That's it?
Yes.
So I recently had the revelation that I really want to start doing a lot more cinematic shots and stuff in my vlogs. I want to start doing more montages. I really want to start doing a lot of like different cool shots. I'm thinking about getting a drone. Maybe a drone would be kind of cool. Where are we at now?
Walmart.
No. We're at Target. Yo. That's very attractive.
What it do? I look like a princess.
You are a princess. My guy.
50% off.
50% off? Wow, that's pretty good. Alright, that's what's up.
Trash can.
Oh my god! You trash can. Oh. Dude.
Off.
Spooky season.
Is there another one?
Wow. Anime girl. What the hell? Yeah. Oh.
Hey, what it do?
We got blonde.
What? Sure.
I just heard somebody say
Like-
the default skin on Fortnite.
Hey, I'll be your default skin for homecoming.
Oh my god. No. Oh, that's what's up.
I don't know. I really want this now.
Who are you?
I'm the wicked wiener. I want this.
Mira, hasta que cabrón, ponle, dile. Grandpa's doing this, but very stupid. Ay, muy. La madre.
It's not easy. Te juro que no está fácil.
¿Se quebró?
Sí, sí, se quedó.
I am currently on my way to go pick up Carlos, and then we're gonna go to Larissa's house, and we're gonna ride some skateboards. Look who's here! Hello!
How they catching? Oh, hi. Ooh, I look
We're
good.
with Larissa.
Hi.
And Denim's over there trying to ride a skateboard. That's what's up. Montage? Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, adios, kid. So since the montage with Larissa didn't really work out, I still want to do some really cool cinematic stuff. So we're at a park right now, and we're going to try and see if we can get that. Let's go. I think that's about it with the cinematic stuff, montage, whatever you want to call it. There is like a little building thing over there we can explore for a bit.
Too much effort.
This is a cool little spot. but there is another big thing that we want to go check out. So I think that concludes this little trip of ours. Carlos is tired. I'm tired. So yeah, we're going back now.
Fine.
Hey guys, okay, so I have a public service announcement. There will not be a vlog next week because I'm making a short movie with some people from school. So that's gonna be replacing the vlog for next week. So thank you for watching the video. See you guys next week.